Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the construction of the Ascent building. Now this is a very special building in Jamaica because it's going to be 27 floors. So when completed it will be the tallest building in Jamaica. The only building close to it will be the Rogers at 20 floors. So this one is going to be 7 floors higher than the tallest building today. Actually, the tallest building today is the Pegasus, because the Rogers is under construction. They've reached 14 floors. The Pegasus is 17 floors, so the Rogers is going to be 20 and the Ascent is going to be 27. So this is a construction site. They got all the necessary approvals in February 2023. And they have the tractor here. I guess it cleared the site, but they haven't actually started construction yet. So we're giving you an update. We'll do it every 2 weeks because this is a very symbolic building in Jamaica. So this property is 1A Oxford Road, and this is where it's going to be built along with the property at 1B Oxford Road. So this is just half of the property. On the other side of that wall you're looking at now is also going to be a part of the project. We are going to go over to the other side in a little bit, but there is no gate now to get over there. It's just it's 2 separate lots. The other side is actually used as a parking lot. No. And I think this construction is scheduled to be 24 months on this project. Okay, that's the NCB Towers that is in the neighborhood. That building, I think it's 9 or 10 floors. It's nowhere close to what is going to be built here. Okay, so a breakdown now of this building. It's going to be 27 stories. It's going to have 28 residential units and 11 floors of office space. So it's going to be one of those mixed use units. It's going to have 305 parking spaces. So it's going to lower levels, I think, are going to be the parking garage, and then you're going to have residential units and 11 floors of office space. Okay, so this is the other part of the property now. This is 1B, and this is also going to be a part of the construction site. So that's the wall from this side now, and as we said, it is being used as a parking garage. So on the other side of this fence now is the Hyundai dealership, and then so the Ascent is going to be on between the Hyundai dealership on one side and Mayberry on the other side. I think Mayberry is 2 or 3 floors. The other buildings in the area have the NCB Towers, which is 9 or 10 floors. Then you have 1 Belmont, which is going to be 9 floors. So by far the Ascent is going to be the skyscraper or the high rise of note in this area. Now, as we said, they got full approval in February 2023, but I guess not sure why they're taking so long to start. Okay, now this is the outside of the construction site where they have put up the zinc fence. And 1A and 1B is covered by the zinc fence. And you'll see it's quite a big property. And this will be the entrance to the site when they eventually combine both spaces, 1A, 1B. and that's the Mayberry building that's coming into view. Okay, so we're just going to take a tour of Oxford Road now and show you what's beside the building. So you have the Audi dealership and then you have the Kia dealership. Okay, so it's not the Hyundai dealership beside the Ascent, it's going to be the Kia dealership. But the Hyundai dealership is right beside that one. And that's the NCB Towers. There are two towers, North Tower, South Tower. And so we're going to give you a view of the construction site from this angle now. And this is a very important angle because as the site is being built out, we will keep showing you this angle so you can actually see the progress that's going on. We're going to give you a full frontal view of the project. Okay, so there it is. That's the zinc fence we just looked at. That's the Kia dealership beside it. And you're going to see Mayberry to the left, but obviously that tree will come down. But this will be the view that we use to keep track of how high the building is going. Alright guys, so we'll keep you updated. As we said, we'll put up videos every 2 weeks on this project and all the major construction projects that are going on. Alright guys, have a good day.